In this lesson, I'm going to teach you Nadi Shodhana Pranayama technique. The first technique that you're going to learn is the preparation for the alternate nostril breathing. You do need to make sure that both nostrils are clear and free and that your breathing is balanced through each. The preparatory, if there are any minor blockages, the preparatory technique should help release them. The only contraindication for this first technique is please don't practice if you have a cold, fever or flu. So sitting up nice and comfortably. The left hand is going to adopt the chin mudra. There's a section about mudras later on. And the right hand is in Nasagra mudra. So the final two fingers, the last two fingers are folded, and we're going to rest the first two fingers on the forehead. Now I just want you to take a few preparatory breaths right here. So nice, long, slow, deep breaths in and out through both nostrils. So check your posture. Take the time to check your posture. Be light with the fingers. And the breathing should be silent. Now just whilst we are preparing, you'll be inhaling, exhaling through the left nostril, inhaling for 5, inhaling, exhaling through the right nostril for 5, and then we'll be inhaling, exhaling through both nostrils for 5, and that makes up 1 round. We're going to practice 3 rounds altogether. So when you're ready, gently close off the right nostril with your thumb and start breathing through the left nostril. You'll notice the quality of the breath. Now we may be breathing at a different pace. That's okay, just stay with me for this first round. Continue to be aware of your posture. Now at the end of the 5th breath, I want you to go ahead and close off the left nostril. And I want you to breathe in and out 5 times through the right nostril. So sometimes having closed off a nostril, you might find that perhaps there was a minor blockage, but this will help clear. So remember with pranayama practice how important posture and abdominal muscles are. So sitting up tall. So use the abdominal muscles. At the end of your 5 breaths, you're going to release both nostrils. And you're going to inhale, exhale 5 times through both nostrils. So maintain the natural lumbar curve. Maintain open shoulders. And start to think about whether your inhalations and exhalations are even. And before moving on to your next round, If you need to, go ahead and blow your nose. Now I'm going to leave you to continue practicing. Build up to 5 to 10 rounds each day before moving on to stage 2 of this first technique. And I will see you in the next lesson.